Thing did drop. You know where they tell me say police to come vehicle, me can't go to a station to get it back.
Yeah.
Tell them say brawling is on track.
Yeah.
My boss always now in my vehicle and he can't start, but that I lease.
Yeah.
Now me a vehicle carrying a lot of civilian. We want to roll it brawling and my girlfriend and thing different.
Why they call you brawling?
Why they call me brawling? Because me do everything brawling.
Like what?
Me eat all brawling. And me I go brawling. Me
So
drive
when
brawling.
you sound bro.
Listen to the man himself.
So when you hear the name brawling, you must not scare. Brawling, it's a man where in the newspaper and in the Gleaner, I'm at the front pages. I even bigger than the police. That's said it tastes like Roman raisin. Well, my branch now when me there, it tastes like black coffee and it tastes like chocolate. So the whitey when you reach and get out to brawling right now, my career need Balance time. Brawling don't get any call. Babes, I don't think you get no real sort out for no Balance time. And you don't get any real gift. Cause brawling don't give you no gift as yet. So you need to reach out and get to brawling. Whitey, black, all different nation. Find brawling. I'm the man for the match. Yesterday was bowling time, but just we got Mr. Bowling time. You guys got brawling. So you don't need bowling time. So I need you guys to celebrate.
What you say we do with the pussy, my dog?
Fuck some and suck some.
What's your favorite position?
My favorite position a back shot.
69, man.
The skin out, yeah, 69 is a nice sign too. But at the same time now, the back shot perfect. Make you come, you right hand papa with your and suck the pussy from back way, you know.
Are you that?
Swipe.
Tell them what they can find. What's what they can find? What's what you locate? What's what the people them can find?
Them just have to call me and tell them if you find me. Because nobody want it, them have to just call me and tell me and find me.
Tell them your number in
Yeah,
this.
number 5216510. My name was Ernest. Good to go. Anywhere you wanna go, right? So
Yeah, that's the party.
yeah, oh, you mean the party?
Yeah, the party.